green peafowl is a peafowl species native to tropical forests of Southeast Asia. It has been listed as an endangered on the IUCN Red List since 2009 because of the global population has been declining rapidly and is severely fragmented due to the loss of habitat. Sunbirds and spider hunters make up the family Nasarnidae, a passerine birds. They are small, slender passerians from the Old World, usually with downward curved bills. Many of the brightly colored, often with iridescent feathers, particularly in the males. Many species also have especially long tails. The golden pheasant, also known as Chinese pheasant, and the rainbow pheasant is a game bird of the order Galliformes and the family of Phasinidae. The genus name is from ancient Greek Chrysophilophos, with a green crest, and Pictus in the Latin pengrene, to paint. The painted bunting is a species of bird in the cardinal family, Cardinalidae, that is native to North America. The bright plumage of the male only comes in the second year of their life. In the first year, they can only be distinguished from the female by the close inspection. Turacus make up the bird family Mussaphagdia, which includes plantain eaters and go-away birds. In Southern America, both turacus and go-away birds are commonly known as lordlings. They are semi-zodiactylous. The fourth toe can be switched back and forth. The bluebird of paradise is beautiful, relatively large species of bird of paradise. It is the only species in the genus Paradisonurus, but was previously included in the genus Paradisea. The Atlantic puffin, also known as common puffin, is a species of seabird in the Acu family. It is only puffin native to Atlantic Ocean. Two related species, the tufted puffin and the horned puffin, are found in southeastern Pacific Ocean. Thank you friends. Meet you tomorrow with an interesting fact. Bye!